Gang, and we back with another one. Man, it's early in the morning, but I was like, you know what? Let me go and jump in here and get this vlog in. Yeah, your boy cut it, curls on top. So, going for a new look because I'm feeling new. Just got married, man.
I'll be loving you always.
Gotta switch it up. And y'all know as a music producer, you always gotta switch your style up and the way you carry yourself. So, I got a letter a few days ago saying that the package of mine arrived. Basically, I wasn't at home, so they sent me like this little letter. Go to the post office and get it. You better hurry up before we send this shit back. All right, so I did. Crazy part was, let me run this story back for you. So about, let me see, February, March. About March, I bought some car mats, but you can kind of custom design it, right? From diamondcarmats.com. I got front, backs, and the trunk. And, you know, the coronavirus kicked off, everything went slow. Shit went so slow, man, the shit never came. Okay, so now we in August, package finally showed up. You know what I'm saying? So I was also, let me get my money back type shit, because it said it was never coming. That was some part of China that it kept saying it was stuck at, some factory, I don't know. Anyway, people jumped in the comments, or not the comments, they jumped in the email. They apologized for the service. They even gave me a few discounts to order more merchandise, and you know, they were pretty responsive for the situation I was going through. So we got the package today. I'm gonna open it. Now, I don't really know why this would take so long to show. You feel me? I don't know why this would take so long, but it did. So, you know, it's car accessories. They do weigh about, I'm gonna say 30 pounds, maybe 40 pounds. They really that heavy. This did come from Beijing, China. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know what the issue was and why it took so long to get here. You know, but it's here now. So, I'm gonna open this, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna show you the texture. I'm gonna show you everything I bought that's in this package. And then, it's my first time seeing it. Finally, I got a package that I didn't open. I opened it on here. And then we'll try to clean the car out. And we'll install it. And I'll leave the description, the link below. I'll leave the link in the description below. And then you can check it out. It may be for you. You know, I was looking for something to keep the car right, keep the car real nice. It matched what I'm doing, the colors I'm doing, which is red and black on the inside. And my car is gray on the outside. So little accents of red in the interior. So shit, let's get right into it, man. Let's rip this bag open. Damn it. But they was definitely responsive. Okay, so this is the trunk. This is the other one I ordered. I got one for the trunk. So I'm gonna lay that in there. It's huge, as you can see. Like, I'm gonna lay it down. That's the whole trunk too. That's the whole trunk. So that's gonna be nice, man. Got the car looking spiffy. Especially, you know, I got them black tints. So I think that's it. What's that right there? Okay, so they gave me some more clips. I guess it's for like the trunk, or if you happen to break some little extra shit. You know how it is. So gave me a 25% discount. The code is on the back. I'm probably gonna use it for the Lex, and I'll probably order beige, you know, whatever color she want to go for the Lex, and we'll probably get these installed. I feel like they're worth it for the price I paid, but yeah, I know I'm all about quality, so it's really nice. It's really nice material. I ain't gonna hold. This is really nice material. You know, this is supposed to keep your real interior clean. You know what I'm saying? If you're a person that lease cars, or you're a person that like to get rid of your car later on in life, or you just like to keep your car fresh and nice, and, you know what I'm saying, treat yourself like you treat your car and everything else. That's how I am. So, diamondcarmats.com, make sure y'all check them out. I told them I was gonna do a vlog on it. Like I said, I appreciate the service. I appreciate them getting back to me. Yeah, they took goddamn me 7, 8 months. They took a long time, man. From March to August. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty insane, but I understand it's the corona. It's not always their fault on their end. But they still came through with the match, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I'm definitely gonna order another one for the car. So, there you go. So, that's pretty much what it is. I'm going to install these. Probably not gonna do them today, but all of it's gonna be on this vlog, so you will get to see the full package of how this goes down. Diamond car mats. Let's go and get this whip cleaned up, and then let's get these installed and let's see how I look. And you tell me are they worth it? I feel they are, but you know what I'm saying. So drop in the comments and tell me if you bought something like these before, or if you're interested or any other question that you may have. So make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe, man. All right, let's go wash this car, man. Let's get together. They fit pretty good. They look nice for right now. I'm gonna put my old mats back in here like that. I kind of don't like that look, but it just until I figure out what I want to do with my mats. I'm just trying to protect my carpet so the car still looks nice. I gotta get it detailed. We just vacuumed it out like yesterday, but you know how it is when you got babies or little kids. You know, they always eating and shit. So. You know. I'm gonna throw these mats in here. So my carpet look good. I just got a little bit of, you know, sand and stuff. So I'm gonna throw these mats in the front and we'll see how those look. Look pretty good. Matching, you know. Red gauges, red steering wheel. A little bit of red by the V-dub in the center. Red and black. So, put the other one in. Like I said, I'm gonna use my mats for right now. Just to toss them in. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. So wifey did this side. She tried. She didn't tuck none of these. So I'm gonna come in here and do it real quick. All right, guys. So that's a wrap. I think they look pretty good. Like I said, I'm gonna leave my regular mats in there until I decide what I want to do. But I'm gonna pull them out just so y'all can see. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? And I can always come in here and tuck this some more, pull this down and all that, which I probably will a little later. But it's finna rain. And I chose the black with the red stitching. So y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. See, like right there, the little gap. Okay, pull it up some more. So I think they look good. They match what I'm trying to do. Little scheme I'm going for. Shit, I might be changing the color of this car. You know. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Like I said, the old mats ain't gonna stay. I just got them in there right now because my son in and out the car. This ends this video. This is another one of your boy Silk Living. And again, these are diamond car mats. You can find them on the regular website. I found them on Facebook ad, reached out to them, spoke to them. They shipped them to me. And like I said, I designed my mats. They dope. I had some for the Lex, but you know, y'all know what happened to the Lex. So I definitely get another set for the Eclipse. I definitely get another set for the Z's. But it's a little hot. Like I said, it's from the rain. This is another video. And drop a comment if you like them, you want a pair. They do give you a 20% off. So if you're doing 2 cars, it's worth it. Not bad. I got to put the trunk in there. I got to do the one for the trunk. I got one more for the trunk. But, you know, I'm going to probably do that a little later. I just want to get this video done so I can show y'all the product. And it's a win for me. It's a go, especially if you want to keep your car clean. Definitely if you're doing car shows, or if you just, like I said, you just like to keep your stuff nice and tight. You don't have to put your regular mats in there. I'm just choosing to because I got a little man. But, you know, when I go out somewhere, just me and Bay, or we go to like a car show or anything like that, those are definitely coming back out. Matter of fact, I'm be getting me some more mats, probably some clear ones, or, you know, whatever. But those are just my off-roads that I bought, or that I was given when I got the car. So, see y'all. Peace.
Living.